guide you to play YouTube with screen off. For that, let's hop into YouTube. And let's say if you're watching any video, and let's say I'm tapping on this.
I
Now,
heard you
if I
talking to
need this to be played even when the YouTube screen is off, let's say I'm
Rosetta how
playing this
your
video,
height
I'm
difference
going
makes
along to the
those stunts.
YouTube, and here you could see that is turned off and that video is not playing, whether in YouTube with screen off. So if I need to play that YouTube with screen off, I need to tap on YouTube. From here, I need to go for you, which is my profile. From there, you need to scroll down to find Get YouTube Premium. This is the only solution and only way to play YouTube with screen off. And from there, you can enjoy all the benefits of YouTube Premium. So from here, you need to tap on that. Here, you could see YouTube and music ad free offline in the background. You can enjoy that, and you will have no interruptions if you get that YouTube Premium. You need to do is that you need to tap on Get YouTube Premium, and after tapping on there, here you could find many plans which you can choose, and you can select whatever the plan that you're comfortable with. And let's say I'm tapping on 1 month and tapping on confirm. After that, you need to add the payment. Let's say you need to pay with, you can pay with UPI, or otherwise add card, or otherwise you can pay to net banking. So these are the ways that you can add the payment method, and after completing payment method, get you can get your YouTube with screen off, and after getting, you can enjoy playing YouTube with screen off. This is how you play YouTube with screen off. Thank you.